It's Mike here. Just got on the boat and I'm just going to give you kind of a review of everything. Dodger, and then you got to kind of kick your head a little bit. You got this bimini, which is remove points. You can take it off there, and you can take it off there, right up there. So if you wanted to pull it off, and the same way goes with the back one, which is at another level. Deep locker for the LP. Deep locker down into the engine room. Pedestal, obviously. The two back lockers. Engine, fish station, grill. Sorry for my finger there. Princess seats. The side decks. Okay, going inside. The new batteries, lithium ions, are underneath the seat, the locker. Main battery switches, and then panel, nav station, old single sideband. The old, this is the diesel generator with very low hours. And that's the panel for the inverter. I think this is the new, maybe the new charger. The interior. Now we're going into the quarter berth. Opening port window. Big hanging locker, and of course the door to the head. Yeah, there, it's Mike again. Roll number 3. Kind of give you a slow by slow walk through. Those are all sliders, and those tabs pull out those pieces of wood that cover storage lockers behind. Freezer outboard. Freezer's out here. Fridge is here. This door is a faux door because they glassed the entire panel in when they rebuilt and re-insulated this whole insulation spot here, the refrigerator. Cooktop. And sink. This table drops down. This is like a big lounge area. That was kind of their spot to just hang out and watch TV. They've got a mount on the bulkhead that they had a TV on. They took it out of the boat. Storage lockers behind. So you got one tank over here for water, and then you got another tank over here for water. This is the, I believe, Sigma. It's a Finnish or Danish heater. An incredibly efficient diesel heater. It's stacked out, obviously. And then in the forepeak, the V-berth. And I'll lay a tape on this. This is big. So the overall length on this is 6'4", yeah, 6'4"-ish, 6'3"-ish. And the width is, that's about 60 inches wide across there. And underneath those two lift-up lockers there are the lead ingots that offset the weight of the back of the boat. So hopefully that helps you guys have a little bit more feel for the boat. Oh yeah, the head. Big area here. The gas heater on this. This is an instant gas heater. Huge shower separated, which is nice. Good ventilation. Good ventilation out. The rest, real quick, tanks underneath all these. So midship right here is a gray water tank. Fuel tank sits right underneath there. It's got a huge removable cleaning panel on it. And then the holding tank is back in the quarter berth, back underneath that berth right there. And then water tanks, as we said, forward. Opens up to give you really good access. Filters, little electric pump, raw water filter, Fuel filters 1 and 2. And the access to the engine can actually come in through that lazarette too. That's right into the lazarette over there. A little scuffed up white paint, but as would be normal on a V drive. So anyway, hopefully that helps you guys further. Vented loops, vented loops. Could almost walk right in there. Okay, engine room. Argonauta Golden Wave 42. Mike Mullenberg, Pacific Cruising Yachts, signing off.